What's up, beautiful people of the internet? Anyway, so kama vile title limeonyesha, this video I am going to show you where to buy skincare products that are legit in Dubois. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel, of course. And if you're returning subscribers, you are my OG. Like nakupenda, you don't know how do you really nakupenda. Anyway, so this channel is all about thrift shopping. It's all about lifestyle, traveling. Wacha tupate pesa za kutravel kwanza, mtajua mjui. Anyway, so let's get straight to the video. So yeah, tunaingia Dubois Beauty downstairs, and this is the shop that I actually bought some of my products in, and they are selling everything at affordable price because they are selling in a wholesale or a retail. And me personally, I think their products are slightly cheaper than the supermarkets or the local cosmetics. And I'd prefer, if you want to save yourself some little shillings, you should come here and buy, you know, your skincare products, and we will be happy. So I will leave the contact of the shop because me, I went to maximum 3 shops. So because me, I like confirming prices so that I can save even that 50 bob. So I will leave the contact of the shop at the end of the video, so stick and watch till the end. And even as I'm doing the little hauls of the things that I bought, please be my guest. So this is also a friend of mine, and she's just a happy person. Alikuja alafu akaangukiwa na weekend. She looks so nice. So if you also want me to show you places you can get affordable wigs, comment on the comment section below. So guys, so these are the things that I bought, and I'm here to just show you how good they are and how nice they are. And like I said, these things are legit. So the first thing I bought, it is this sijui ndaitaje, but I bought this thing. It makes you look more like a bunny and all that, but it looks so nice. And this one I bought it at 150 bob Kenyan shillings. So let's go to the next thing that I bought. So the next thing I bought was this body spray. In a body splash. Was this body splash, and it went for 180 bob Kenyan shillings. And I think it's quite fair kwa sababu penye inabaigi up around, it's around like 280 or something, so you save yourself some amount of money. This is a body splash and it smells so nice, you guys. It smells so nice. So of course ningebuy Dove, like of course, you know. So like mimi, I want to really invest in my skincare. I want to invest in my skincare, and not only like my body and all that, even the facial and all that. But when I buy, you will be the first one to know. So I bought this one in a Dove. Yeah, it's a Dove lotion, and in a natural, in a kunacha. Anyway, it's very nice. I love the smell yake. Inanuka vizuri, and I thought it will go very well with this. It's more like zimetengenezwa na the same scent and all that. And Easy Dove, by the way, Easy Dove I bought each at 500 Kenyan shillings. I zungukad around kuangalia penye, yani maybe ni cheap and all that, but kila mahali ilikuwa 500, and I don't know why. You know, ukiangalia watu wengine wenye wanakuplug wanakuambia oh Dove it's around, you know, a certain amount of money, which is a lie, and sipo kudanganya watu by the way. Anyway, so another product that I bought was this. So in ya ku shave excess nini hair on your face, and also inakusaidia kunyoa eyebrows. So why am I telling you unajua? So this one I bought it at 50 bob, alafu they came zikiwa tatu, very fair and very cheap for me. I also went on and bought a bonnet. Zilikuwa only in 2 colors, a black one and a blue one. But a bonnet I bought it at 200, and I think it's quite fair considering ukiangalia on what will I say, ukiangalia on Instagram it's quite expensive. No siaribi watu kazi, but I'm saying the fact, on Instagram it's quite expensive. So the other thing I bought was this sugar scrub. So this sugar scrub ilikuwa inaenda at 300 bob Kenyan shillings, and I think it will really go well with my skin, and I can't wait to try it on kwa sababu yenye nilikuwa natumia anyway iko na ish. I don't want to say a lot. So I also bought this. I don't know kama nimeonyesha. I also bought this basically because my hands are too small and kusugua migongo, yeah, you know, it's quite a struggle. So I bought this at 80. It was 80 bob. Yeah, bought that at 80. I also bought this at 80 bob. It is a coconut oil at 50 bob, and it's nice for my hair, of course. What else did I buy? I went on and bought this. Don't mind my nails, najua zinakamba. I also went on and bought this. Sijui kama mnaweza ona vizuri. It's a lash it's a inaitwaje mascara, yeah, eyebrows or something. I just saw it na nilikuwa naona inakaa vizuri, so I just bought it to try it. But this one I bought it at 50 bob. Anyway, I also bought a roll-on for my armpits. I also bought a roll-on for my armpits, and this one I bought it at 180 bob. Also very cheap. I bought these ones, by the way. I bought these ones. Zilikuwa tatu, ilikuwa inakuja na promotion. So when you buy one, you get it at was it at 150? But when you buy 3, you get them at 300 bob. So unapata moja kama bonus. And I preferred buying 3. I got a red one, a purple one, and a maroon one. So yeah. Mtu anapiga kelele. Alingoja tu nichukue simu nianze kushoot shughuli. So I also bought this lip imeandikwa lip cream. Inakaa hivi. It's clear. It's nice, na ni mzuri kwa tu just kwa bag when you're going somewhere. So you need bet. I think zimeisha. Okay. Don't mind me. So lastly I bought this one. Don't mind nini. Nilikuwa nimefinya kwa vitu vingine nilikuwa nimebuy. So since basically I'm just giving you a plug. Na mimi nikipata kitu mzuri lazima tu niwashula. Like lazima niwa inform, you know. So I got this package from Hair Care with Kimuma on YouTube or Kimuma on Instagram. I'll put her handles down here if you want any of her services. So even your package inakaa, sijui kama mnaona sure. Hapa juu imeandikwa Mercy and then Love Kimuma. Like this package is giving. So since we are talking about skincare and all that, I just thought niwaonyeshe her product. And if you are struggling with your hair, it's only right I tell you where you can get a product that will help you. So from her package, even though alisema, dear Mercy, thank you for your purchase. This oil is infused with herbs, hizo majina za maherbs sitawasomea juwe. These herbs work collectively to nourish your hair and stimulate your growth. Oil your scalp 3 to 4 times a week for maximum results. So if you want your hair to grow, please akona handwriting, akona hiyo kama mnaweza ona the words like literally, but she's anyway. Let's unbox with you guys. So this is how the oil is looking like. It's a homemade oil, and her hair, if I find one of her videos ndawekea hapa, so please go follow her if you want your hair to grow. It doesn't matter if your hair is what is the word, if your hair is natural or relaxed, you can order it from her like this. This is 400 bob. So please go and promote her. So yeah, hello guys, so kama hii video imekubamba, please remember to subscribe, like, comment and do share. Alafu hapo kwa subscribe, please do subscribe. Alafu mniombe hii mafua inishe. Like, is it just me ama ni kila mtu? I don't know, I don't get it anyway. So yeah, I think that's all from me to you guys, and I am super excited. I can't wait for us to get to 5k subscribers. And yeah, I'm happy that you're happy, and I'm happy that you'll get the plug that you need.